Ukraine Army shoots down Russian Mi-28 attack helicopter. Ukrainian forces reportedly shot down a Russian Mi-28 attack helicopter using the Man-Portable Air Defense System, or MANPAD. It is the first visual combat loss of a Mi-28 type helicopter during the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Unfortunately, the exact place and date of the helicopter crash are not known, but a number of sources note that the helicopter was shot down near Kirovsk in the Luhansk region of eastern Ukraine. The Mi-28 is a Russian all-weather, day-night, military tandem, two-seat anti-armor attack helicopter. It is an attack helicopter that carries a single gun in an undernose barbette, plus external loads carried on pylons beneath stub wings. The Mi-28 has a fully armored cabin, including the windshield, which withstands impact by 7.62mm and 12.7mm bullets and 20mm shell fragments. The pilot uses a helmet-mounted target designator, which allocates the target to the navigator's surveillance and fire control system. The navigator or weapons officer is then able to deploy guided weapons or guns against the target. The targeting system follows the direction of the pilot's eyes.